Guys, welcome to Raw Smoking Stuff. Today we're going to be doing a spiral cut ham on the smoker, a honey-baked ham. You know, like the ones you buy at the honey-baked ham store that are really expensive. I'm going to show you how to do it on the cheap. Alright, well, what I got here is I've got about 3 tablespoons of butter and about 4 tablespoons of honey. And we're just going to slather it all over this ham to start with, okay? Got a couple stray pieces here. What you want to do is get this thing up on its side, and you want to kind of pull these slices apart without having it fall apart too bad, because then when you dump this over, you can kind of get that down in those slices a bit. Slather that around there. So that's melted butter, of course. Okay, and then we're going to flip this over this way and do the same thing to this side. Just like that, front of it. And we're going to get it all over here. For you food police out there, I did wash my hands, just so you're aware. We'll just take these stray slices, throw them up underneath here. You can see I've got this on this Bradley smoker rack, and in this pan it doesn't fit perfect, but it's good enough. And then I'm just going to dump some apple juice in the bottom of here, and we're going to get this over on the smoker, and then we're going to let it cook till it gets to about probably like 150, right around there, because we're not trying to cook it, we're just trying to heat it up, put a little more smoke on it. We're going to come back and put a sugar glaze on it, and I'll show you that when we get to that point. Alright guys, our ham in the smoker. We got it set at 250 degrees. We're going to cook this to an internal of 140. I think I said 150 before, but I went and looked at my notes because I couldn't remember for sure. We're going to do it to 140. So there again, 140, not 150. Don't do it to 150. Okay, so we're just going to close this up. We're going to let it smoke. We'll get a temperature probe in there here in a little bit, and then we'll be back to check on it, and I'll show you how we put the sugar glaze on it.
I'm just curious.
Alright guys, so I've got here our glaze that I made up. And other than while you have to watch me put this whole thing together, I'm just going to tell you, excuse me. So other than having me watch you put this whole thing together, I'm just going to tell you what's in it. It has 1.5 cups of sugar, half a teaspoon of seasoned salt, half a teaspoon of onion powder, a half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves, a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, and a pinch of allspice. Then I put 6 tablespoons of water in it, put it on the stove on a medium to low heat, and let it warm up. And now we're going to baste it over our ham because it's almost done. We're at like 136, so we're going to baste it. We're going to turn the smoker up to 425 degrees and let it kind of caramelize on there, so stick around. Look at that thing, guys. That's looking good. Okay, so we got our glaze here. What I have, I've got a glove on with an insulated glove underneath it. You could use a brush for this too, but I prefer to use my hand because I have better control of where it goes and getting full coverage here. So what we're gonna do, just gonna get this all down in there, try to get it down in the folds. Okay, we're gonna let this cook. Put the rest of this on here for about 15-20 minutes. Then we'll come back and try this thing out. It's gonna be good, I'm telling you. If you've never done a ham on the smoker like this, you should try it. Okay, we're gonna give this about 10-15 minutes and we'll be back. Alright guys, ham's done. You can see how this sugar was caramelized on the outside of here. We're at 141 degrees. I'm just gonna open the lid, shut this thing down, let it cool for just a minute. We'll be ready to eat. It's smoking so much because some of the sugar and stuff dripped down there. It's not bad, it's just the way it does when you turn it up that high. So anyway, we're gonna let it rest for a second, then we'll get it off and taste it. Alright guys, our ham's been sitting there for about 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes. We're gonna try it out here because I can't wait any longer. So we're just gonna leave it right here. Oh, look at that. Look, I gotta show you this. Look at this. Just touch it. The juice is coming out of that thing. This is gonna be good. I can tell already. I can tell it's going to be tasty. Alright, let's see. We're just gonna come in here, go up by this bone, slice this thing off. We're gonna take this, lay it down on its side here. Look at that. Does that look good or what? Let's get a piece of this off. I want this piece on the bottom. Yeah, I want this piece on the bottom because it's going to have all the good stuff on it. That is really, really close to a honey-baked ham, guys. In fact, I can't tell any difference. It's real good. It's a little smokier than a honey-baked ham. But the sugary flavor of it's the same. It's awesome. I got to get this thing inside, get it sliced up, and feed the family. If you like what you see, give us a thumbs up, like the video because that helps promote the video so we get more views, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.